Hello viewers, today I am going to discuss about one of the most important topic, that is blue light. Do you know what blue light is? What are the sources of blue light and how blue light affects our eyes? I have done a thorough research on this topic and got detailed information about blue light, and now I am going to share all this information in this video. This is Arun Kumar Rai, consultant optometrist. I would request all of you to please watch this video till the end, because I am going to share some useful informations about how to prevent your eyes from harmful blue rays. Also share this video to all your contacts so that they can also get benefited from this video. So without wasting much time, let's get into the presentation mode of my computer screen. So here I'll discuss what is blue light, sources of blue light, how blue light affects our eyes, what are the symptoms of blue light on our eyes, and at the end preventive measures. So let us see what is the definition of blue light. Blue light is the part of visible light spectrum of having shorter wavelengths, hence emitting higher energy. Excessive exposure to blue light might cause serious damage to the eyes or might lead to blindness. Let us see what are the sources of blue light. The main source of blue light is sunlight, and the other sources are digital screens such as TV, computers, laptops, smartphones, tablets, etc., LED lights and fluorescent lights. Now let us see detail about blue light from an image. Here you can see this is the image of the light spectrum. Here we have harmful lights such as UV light and blue light. Blue light is also known as HEV, high energy visible light, and UV light is non-visible, whereas blue lights and other lights are visible. Blue lights affects our eyes and can lead to AMD, age-related macular degeneration. We also should know that blue light has some good effects on our health, that is this part of the blue light, that is blue turquoise. It helps us to our sleep-wake cycle. Because of this blue light, in the morning we get up and we don't feel sleepy, and in the evening our body produces the hormone named melatonin, which helps us to get sleepy in the night. And excessive exposure to blue light, that is our mobile screen in the night, may disrupt this hormone and can also affects our sleep. So this is blue light. Now let us see one more image. Here you can see that the blue light is affecting the back portion of our eyes, which contains choroid, retina and fovea, whereas UV light affects the front part of the eyes, that is cornea, iris and pupil. Now let us get back to our mind map. Let us see how blue light affects our eyes. Blue light harms our vision by damaging the eye's retina. It can kill photoreceptor cells which do not regenerate. Blue light can cause macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of blindness. These are the ways how blue light affects our eyes. Now let us see what are the symptoms of blue light on our eyes. Digital eye strain, fatigue, dry eyes, macular degeneration. These are the symptoms you can find when exposed to blue light. Now let us see one by one in detail. Blue light having short wavelength and high energy scatters more easily than other visible lights. When you are looking at computer screen and other digital devices, the eyes are looking at millions of pixelated image that is rapidly alternating or flickering multiple times per second. Thus, this significant amounts of blue light contribute to digital eye strain. Let us see what fatigue is. Digital eye strain leads to dry eyes and puts strain on the muscles that help the eyes to focus. When staring at a digital device, the eyes does not blink as frequently, and this causes faster disruption and evaporation of tear film that protect the ocular surface and leads to fatigue. Dry eyes. When you concentrate on your smartphone or computer screen, your blink rate also decreases. It causes the tears on the surface to dry and leads to irritation, redness, pain and blurry vision. Macular degeneration. Macula is a part of retina situated at the back side of the eye which contains photoreceptor cells and responsible for our central vision. The blue light can penetrate all the way to the retina. Too much exposure to blue light can damage the light sensitive cells in the retina, which can cause macular degeneration. Now let us see what are the preventive measures that we can take to prevent our eyes from these harmful blue rays. Here I will discuss 8 different preventive measures one by one. First one is blink eyes more often. Prolonged use of smartphones, computer screens makes your eyes dry, causing irritation, pain or blurry vision. Blinking more often will make your eyes moist and reduce irritation. At least blink 10 times every 20 minutes. Reduce the glare of the screen. A bright or glare screen can make the eyes get tired faster. If possible, equip your smartphone with anti-glare glass, or you can download a light reduction application to reduce the blue light. Third one, maintain 16 to 18 inches distance between your eyes and the smartphone. Always try to maintain a distance of at least 16 to 18 inches from the eyes. Maybe it feel strange for the first time, but you will get used to it. Fourth one, adjust the brightness and contrast of the screen. Having screen brightness that is too high or too low can cause eye strain, so adjust it to your comfort. You can also use blue light guard screen protector for your smartphone or computer screen. Splash eyes with water. Splash your eyes with water regularly. This activity will ward off irritation and reduce dryness in the eyes. This can also reduce problems such as blurred vision and help the eyes to focus better. Use blue block anti-reflective lenses in spectacles. Spectacles can be fitted with blue block anti-reflective lenses having no power while using smartphone or computer screen. Spectacles can also be made as per prescription power having blue block property. Turn off smartphone 1 to 2 hours before going to bed. Blue light can also affect your sleep by suppressing the production of the hormone melatonin. This hormone plays a key role in the regulation of the sleep cycle. So avoid using smartphone before bedtime. And the last one, follow 20-20-20 rule. Every after 20 minutes, shift your eyes to look at an object at least 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It aims to temporarily relax your eye muscles and give your eyes a little rest. You can also use artificial tears to refresh your eyes when they feel dry. Artificial tear drops can be purchased over the counter from chemist shop. This is all about blue light and its effect on our eyes. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have any queries, please comment me in the comment section below. Also, please like and share this video to the maximum. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe my channel. And this is Arun Kumar Rai signing out until we meet again with a new topic. Thanks for watching. Take care.